Hi, I'm Jay, and this is our demonstration unit. We have Trion equipment on here, so I'm going to talk about what a typical system might look like in your home. So right here we have return air ductwork, and there's a grill inside of this one, but typically this ductwork would get attached to return air ductwork in your home. But this is the drop, so we have the return air, which would be in the summertime hot air from your house, and in the wintertime cold air. So the air would pass down here, turn, go through the air cleaner. So this happens to be a Trion electronic air cleaner. So the air would go through here, get cleaned. Then the air passes into the furnace. There's a blower hiding inside of here. So that air gets blown up through here. This section here is hiding a heat exchanger. So this is where the air in the wintertime would get warmed up. The air would then blow up here. This happens to be a cooling coil. Now, in the wintertime, this doesn't do anything. In the summertime, this would then cool the air. The air would then pass up here into the supply plenum and get distributed into your home. Now, we happen to have a bypass style humidifier on this unit. So this is where you would humidify the air in the wintertime. And kind of the way that works would be wintertime, hot air is blowing up here. That hot air is dry. It enters the humidifier, gets humidified. So then you have hot, humid air that exits that humidifier. And in our demonstration unit, we have a 6-inch round duct on this one that's hiding. It's around the back side of this system, but it comes around here and it stabs back into this. So you would have hot, humid air coming from that 6-inch round pipe. It re-enters the return air duct and gets pulled back down, runs through the furnace, and gets distributed back into the home. We also happen to have a duct-mounted humidistat, which is right here. And I don't know if you can hear that, but that's the humidifier going on and off. So this is quite commonly a location where the humidistat is mounted. You might have yours wall-mounted, but a real common location is on the ductwork, specifically on the return air ductwork, not the supply air ductwork. So we have this mounted here. We also happen to have a Nest thermostat mounted on the ductwork. Obviously, you're not going to have a thermostat mounted on your ductwork, but for our demonstration unit, it's just a nice place for us to have it so we can show people how to set their thermostat. But obviously, yours would not be here. Yours would be mounted on your wall somewhere, typically in the hallway or living room. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. For additional help or questions, feel free to contact us.